Have you ever heard a song so real it felt like you were inside the studio? Where every instrument has its own space, where the room echoes around you, and the music doesn't just play, it lives. That's what the Sennheiser HD800S delivers. But here's the hard truth. It costs almost $2,000. So today we're answering one question. Honestly, before you spend that kind of money, is the Sennheiser HD800S worth it? And more importantly, is it actually good? This isn't a promo. This is a full, no BS review based on sound quality, build, real-world use, and what you really need to know before buying. Let's talk about the heart of this headphone, the 56mm ring Radiator driver. Yes, it's the largest dynamic driver ever used in a pair of headphones. But size isn't everything. The ring shape combines the air-moving power of a big diaphragm with the rigidity needed for lightning-fast response. No distortion, no lag, just pure, clean sound. And here's something few people mention: a patented frequency absorber. It reduces unwanted peaks in the sound, not just smoothing out the audio, but revealing details hidden in plain sight, like the breath of a singer or the subtle reverb in a recording that most phones bury. When you put these on, the world changes. Not because it's louder, but because it's deeper. You're not hearing sound between your ears, you're experiencing it around you. This is the legendary Soundstage, the illusion of space. Imagine sitting in the middle of a concert hall. The violins on your right, the drums behind you, the piano center stage. It's not stereo, it's spatial. Why? Because the ear cups are angled precisely to direct sound toward your ears at their natural inflection point. It's like the audio was designed for your brain, not just your eardrums. But here's the catch. These are open back headphones. Sound leaks out and outside noise comes in. So if you're in a noisy apartment or using them on the go, they're not ideal. But if you want immersion, total, complete, mind-blowing immersion, this is the king. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. $1,999.95, almost $2,000. That's serious money. And here's the truth. You will not get the full potential of the HD800S with just a laptop, phone, or basic DAC. They have 300 ohms of impedance, high-end territory. You need a powerful amplifier or a balanced output to bring out the best. Without it, the sound will be weak, lifeless, and underwhelming. So if you're planning to plug this into your iPhone or cheap USB DAC, stop. You'll waste your money. These headphones aren't for casual listening. They're for serious audiophiles who already have the right gear. But look at the craftsmanship. The chassis is vibration dampened, built to stay stable so nothing shakes or distorts the sound. The headband is made from inert materials. No flex, no resonance. Every part is precision engineered to deliver what's written on the spec sheet. And comfort? Surprisingly great. The ear pads are ultra-soft microfiber. The clamping force is light but secure. Even after 3 hours of listening, there's no pressure or fatigue. At 330 grams, it's surprisingly lightweight for a reference-grade headphone. And the design? Minimalist, elegant, timeless, like a piece of art. So now, after everything, is the Sennheiser HD800S worth $2,000? If you love classical, jazz, analog recordings, or work in audio production, yes, absolutely. It's not just a headphone, it's a window into the artist's original vision. But if you're just streaming Spotify, gaming casually, or using it in a loud environment, no, it's not for you. This is a headphone for people who care about every detail, the breath, the echo, the space between notes. If that's you, then this might be the most important purchase you make in audio. If this review helps you understand the HD800S better, please hit the like button. It means a lot to me and helps keep this channel alive. And if you enjoy honest, deep dives into high-end audio, subscribe. I don't do hype, I do truth. And I'll keep bringing you reviews like this. No fluff, no sponsorships, just real insight. Oh, and if you decide to buy, use the link in the description. It's not for profit, it's how I support my work. Every click helps me keep making videos like this, with more depth, more testing, more honesty. Because great sound deserves to be found, and you deserve to hear what truly matters.